Beloved students, see the birds where you are seeing now on a tree which is affected by very low temperature, freezing injury, in addition to chilling injury. Two birds are sitting there, and here in the next tree also you find a few birds sitting here. The important point I would like to share with you is the temperature outside this houses, in the open air. The temperature is minus 14 degrees centigrade, not minus 14 degrees Fahrenheit. See, the birds are now finding their home on the trees. It's very, very interesting, and I would like all of you to see it here. So now let us go close. Still, if they are not escaping from the sight, let us see. Let us see. See, that means human beings protect themselves for the cold. How these birds are able to protect, it is very interesting. I would like to share with you all. The outside temperature is minus 14 degrees centigrade. See, this is the this is the bird now fly. Now bird fly. And there are few birds on this tree. This I would like to share with you. Thank you for your enthusiasm to know in general. Dear students, here you are able to see at a temperature of minus 11 degrees centigrade, not minus 11 degrees Fahrenheit. Here you are able to see some birds sitting. Behind them there is a system developing. Today evening it is anticipated or expected or forecast is that a snowstorm is there. So these birds are now anticipating food in some place or the other. So these are all see how wonderfully these are all sitting at a temperature of minus 11 degrees centigrade. This I would like to share with you because even at minus 11 degrees centigrade these birds are able to survive, and they are very active, rather not survive, very, very active, absolutely active, and see, wonderful, see. Thank you.